Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming exactly what you hold, trading only, demat only, or both, because the forms differ. Once done, cancel all open orders and close positions so there are no pending obligations. Make sure funds are transferred to your linked bank account. Gather ID, PAN, client code, and any physical PDCs or margin checks. You need a signed closure request. Start the broker portal closure flow now, or download the SBI Securities Closure Form to fill offline. Next, complete the SBI Securities Closure Form accurately. Missing fields delay processing, so double-check client ID and bank details. Attach copies of PAN, Aadhaar, a canceled check, and client master or demat statement if needed. These prove your identity and account link. Then deliver documents by the channel SBI accepts drop at branch, send by registered courier, or upload through the secure portal. Once submitted, expect verification calls or OTPs. Respond promptly to avoid holdups. Finally, wait for closure confirmation via SMS or email. Processing can take days. Make sure there are no residual charges, unsettled corporate actions, or pledge liens that can block closure. If any exist, clear them first. If your request is rejected, ask for the explicit reason and correct it, then resubmit without delay. Keep all receipts, acknowledgement numbers, and courier proofs until you receive the final confirmation. They are your evidence if you need to escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.